This is a piano tutorial on the song The Look of Love by Burt Bacharach, and I'll show it to you here first as a soloist. The fingering, you start on an A with your thumb. It's a third to your third finger on D. Then fifth finger on A. Thumb, fourth finger. And that repeats. Thumb on A. Third finger there. Then you have to lift your wrist up and put your third finger on A. So it's and your thumb on B. Excuse me, B flat. No, let's do this. Third finger on the B flat. And then you gotta lift your thumb up and put it on that C. Fourth finger there. Then your second, this is a little tricky. Second finger on F to your thumb there. Thumb there again, and third finger over on F. Fifth finger on A. Then your third finger over on C. Fourth finger up to that G. And here it's a little tricky. You have two A's in a row. First one with your fifth finger, second one with your third finger, so you can get up higher. Third finger on that D. Fourth finger, 5, 3. Fourth finger on the second ending. So a couple places where it's a little tricky, but not that hard. This is in the key of F, so you only have one black key to watch out for, B flat. Your first chord is a D minor 7th chord. So that's D, F, A, and C. Minor 7th, E, G, A, and C. That's a B flat chord, D, F, B flat. And this is an A sus chord, so it's E, A, D, which goes down to that C sharp on the next measure, so that's an A7 there. So A7 actually is E, G, A, C, so it's D minor 7th again, D, F, A, C. That's a D sus, D, G, A, C. So this G resolves down to that F sharp. It's a B flat 6 chord. It's F, G, B flat, D. That's a B flat minor chord. F, B flat, D flat. F major 7th, F, A, C, E. Excuse me, that's a B flat major 7th, which is F, A, B flat, and D, like that. So it's actually this goes down from F major 7th, F 7 there. B flat major 7 is F, A, B flat, D. sus chord again. And then you got a G7 chord there, D, F, G, B. And an F chord, C, F, A. G minor 7th would be D, G, D, F, G, B flat. F again, C, F, A. G minor 7th again, D, F, G, B flat. D minor 7, D, F, A, C. So G7 chord, D, F, G, B. G minor 7, D, F, G, B flat. It's actually an F6 chord there, F, A, C, and this D makes it a 6 there. So, some interesting chords there. Maybe we would call this an intermediate song, but it's a lot of fun. So always work on it hands alone, then put it together, and this is what it sounds like.